Hi family, welcome to Very Wise Alternatives. So today is Tuesday, so Tuesday with Very Wise Alternatives. I'm Herbalist Viola and I'm answering the subscribers' questions. We didn't get that many today, we only have two, so the video is not going to be long. The first question, a subscriber wanted to know about the go bag and where to purchase the items. Now, it's really not that difficult to find the items. You can go to your local grocery store. Yes, you can go to your grocery store. They do have some items there. You can go to Walmart, you can go to Target. You can find a lot of items online at Amazon. So you can actually get them anywhere. As far as the big ticket items, like if you do want to get a generator, I'm not sure if you was referring to that video, but what I did was I researched on Google and I found the best generator that fit my needs. And remember, the go bag and the videos are for you. So think about what you need and what you want in your go bag and just go from there. So like I said in the video, you can spend up to $20 all the way up to $300 to $400. So it's totally on you, or what you want in your go bag, or if you were speaking about the generators. So just to make sure that we answered your question, and if I didn't answer your question, just feel free to reach out to us or put a comment in below and I'll address it next Tuesday. Now the second the second email that we got, we have a person suffering from seasonal allergies, and they want essential oils, so natural ways with essential oils. Now, I'm going to just talk about five essential oils that I personally use that I know works. And you see I have my diffuser back here, and just showing you that I use it because I do suffer from allergies, and I know exactly what some of you guys are going through with allergies, bad sinuses, headaches, the congestion, the runny nose, the whole 9 yards. The first one I want to talk about is tea tree oil, the tea tree essential oil. Now, sometimes you may feel like it's not a if your sounds feel like you got a bug. Now I use the tea tree oil. I make sure I use that inside my diffuser, because sometimes it may be mold in the air or fungus, and this actually helps clean the air. You can actually use it in your diffuser with a humidifier. So those are the two things you can use that you can put in there that can help clean and freshen the air and help you, just in case if it's not allergies, maybe it's a bug. So, and I also use it to clean my countertops, the handle of the refrigerator, the handles in the bathroom. Sometimes I wipe the handles coming down the stairs. So you can actually use this to clean items as well. So don't slip on the tea tree oil. And I recommend do not eat this. Do not eat. It's strong, so do not take the tea tree oil. Next, I want to talk about is peppermint. Now, peppermint is my absolute favorite. I do sometimes take a drop of peppermint internally, that helps me, but peppermint oil is my absolute favorite. It's my I would say the number two, the best ones that I use. Now, what I found with the peppermint oil, um, it has cooling properties. And I don't know if you ever had the peppermint, but when it goes down, it just feels so refreshing. It just makes you feel, it makes you feel like that extra relief with your sinuses, with your with the bronchial tubes. Study shows that using the peppermint oil, it actually just opens you up and just makes you breathe a little bit better. It helps, it helps from your mouth down to your lungs, down to your stomach. If you actually mix it with some black pepper, that kind of hot and that cool kind of kind of makes you feel relief. and it just makes you feel so much better, actually make you just breathe a little better. And you already know with allergies, you already just want some type of relief. I mean, just some type of relief. So peppermint oil, I would definitely recommend you get the peppermint oil, because peppermint oil have menthol, and you know that menthol just it just gives you that relief, that breath of fresh air, just to get that relief. And you know exactly what I'm talking about, because soon as you, like with the menthol cough drops, soon as you start sucking on it, you just feel like this instant, like, I can breathe. So you know exactly what I'm talking about if you suffer from any type of allergy, any type of sinus, especially those headaches. The next one, is basil. Now, what I love about basil, yes, you can use basil or the holy basil. I'm gonna talk a hot tip on basil at the end. But what what I find about the basil, some people use it for ear infections. Um, but you can actually use the basil. No, I'm not telling you take it internally, but you can maybe put some in tea, just a drop in tea, or in basil or the peppermint oil. You already know the peppermint oil is really good in some tea. But far as basil, you can actually take the basil. I don't recommend you put it in your ear. Never put it in your ear. What you can do is rub it all around your ear to get some kind of relief. You can actually rub it here and you'll feel the relief. You'll feel, your lymph nodes draining. Sometimes your lymph nodes are swollen. You can kind of like rub it and you actually feel the relief. You actually, feel it. You want to rub it around your nose, rub it here, rub it around your nose, especially under here. I know you're thinking about the Vicks Vapor Rub, but you can make a concoction. That's a whole other video. But if you rub it, you'll feel that relief. You actually feel better. And it just it just it just it just it just, if you try it, you actually feel the relief. And I don't know if you suffer from that dripping. Now I don't know if you know, but sometimes you have that dripping of your nose or the dripping in the back of your throat, and you're like, if I can just stop that. This actually helps. This actually relieves the dripping. It actually cuts it and just makes you have that relief. So definitely try it, especially if you have the congestion. Just try it. Seriously, just try it and you'll feel the relief, because I do it all the time. I just love it. So try basil, and basil's number 3. So number four, I would do lemon oil. Not sure if you have their lemon oil essential oil, but you should get them. Believe me, you should. If I was you, I would definitely go online or go to or Target, Walmart, buy just go and buy a whole bunch of essential oils. I recommend it. I know sometimes they have the pack, but go beyond that pack and just get other essential oils, because essential oils, they're a sleeper. You definitely want to incorporate essential oils. Now I'm only going to go over 5 on the later video. I maybe go over some more. So lemon oil. What I know is about lemon oil actually get rid of the phlegm. So you already know that's the best thing. We want to just dry it up. So it actually helps remove the phlegm from the lymphatic system, to help it drain. So that's the sleeper for it, is the lemon essential oil. And it also, if you have swollen lymph nodes, you can actually like rub it on your neck. Just rub a little bit and just get that relief. And you'll feel it. You'll actually feel the mucus kind of thin out on your nose, in your throat, and in your chest. So this is some good stuff for as the lemon essential oil. Now, my favorite, the number one choice that I always use, is eucalyptus essential oil. Now I absolutely love it. I do have a lemon essential. I mean, it's the it. I can't even say the word. Eucalyptus is my favorite. I always put this in my diffuser. I This is my go-to. This is like the best, and I would recommend this first. I saved it for last because it's just the best. Okay, so Eucalyptus Essential Oil is absolutely the best. I would recommend that you get this one first, but this is a must that you have in your house. I don't care. Yes, I speak about a lot of my videos, but I want to recommend this because this helps me. This clears up. I mean, it just makes me breathe better, happy. Actually, to me, it just makes me breathe where I can sleep well at night. So eucalyptus oil is absolutely the best because it opens up your airway. I use it in my house daily. I use it in the diffuser. I mean, I use this all the time. So this is one, this is the Eucalyptus Essential Oil is the best one that you need to have in the house. This is the first one you need to buy. It has antimicrobials that actually that fights off bacteria and viruses. So this is the absolute best one you need to have. It actually invades in your lungs and it helps your sinuses. Okay, it has cinnamon in there, and that's the benefit. That's the secret sleeper that's in the essential oil, and this is why you actually need eucalyptus essential oil in your life. It's the best, and all you got to do is rub it on your lymph nodes, rub it on your chest area, and you'll feel absolutely wonderful. I'm telling you. Make sure you put it in your diffuser and just try it and just see how it is in your life. Now, so let's go over the top 5. The top 5 is tea tree oil. You have the basil, you have peppermint, you have lemon, and you got that eucalyptus. Eucalyptus is top dog, but you want to make sure you get all 5. They will help you. You will feel relief. You will feel better. So that's the main thing, feeling better. And I appreciate you asking the question. This is a natural way. This is very wise alternatives. Ways where you can feel better. So the hot tip of the day is the holy basil. So make sure you pick up some holy basil today because it combats stress. It lowers cholesterol. It helps with liver function, fight cancer, relieves, it lowers the fever. One of the subscribers was asking about radiation poisoning. You see all the stuff holy basil, so make sure you get it. And the main thing, it boosts your immune function, so make sure you pick up some holy basil. I hope that helps. Listen, you guys, if you have any other questions, any other comments, put the comments down below, or send us an email at support@verywisealternatives.com. We will answer your emails. And no, this is not a way to get consultations. Consultations is totally something different. But this is just answering the subscribers' questions. So you guys have a great day and happy Tuesday.